May is Lyme Disease Awareness Month. Lyme disease is a tick-borne disease, and you get it from obviously getting bit by a tick. It's one of many tick-borne diseases. One of the services we offer at the health department is tick identification. If you find after doing a tick check a tick on your body, you can bring it into the health department and we'll help identify whether it's the deer tick, the tick that causes Lyme disease. The health department would like the community to remember 3 simple things to prevent tick bites. 1, to use a repellent to keep ticks off your body. 2, to wear the appropriate clothing before you go outside and do outdoor activities. And 3, when you return, to do a tick check on your body and remove ticks as quickly as possible. On our website, fairfaxcounty.gov/fightthebite, we have very detailed directions on the best way to remove a tick from your body.